Getting a learner's permit is a huge rite of passage for young drivers, but for new drivers, accidents can happen. So what happens when one occurs when you have a driving permit? Let's talk about that. Hi, it's John Galvin with Berry Insurance. Getting a learner's permit is a very exciting time for a young driver, but also very anxiety-provoking for parents. An inexperienced driver is a potential risk for a variety of car accident scenarios. That being said, as an insurance policyholder, it's very important for you to understand how your insurance covers your vehicles and your teen that's behind the wheel. So, in this video, you will learn how teen drivers are covered by your auto insurance, what to do if your permit driver gets into an accident. Let's jump into it. What are the restrictions of a learner's permit in Massachusetts? Before we get into what to do if your student is involved in an accident, let's chat about the laws surrounding learner's permits. In Massachusetts, any driver with a learner's permit must follow these rules when driving. They must have their permit with them when driving. The permit holder cannot operate in another state if it violates that state's laws. A permit holder who is under the age of 18 may not operate a vehicle unless they are accompanied by a parent or guardian above the age of 21. The accompanying adult must be licensed with at least 1 year worth of driving experience. Are drivers with their learner's permits covered under car insurance? In most cases, yes. Drivers with learner's permits will receive insurance coverage as long as they are driving with a licensed parent or guardian as a passenger who is covered by their own policy. So, if you are with your permitted driver while they are practicing and they get into an accident, they will be covered by your insurance. Most issues that arise with permit drivers is when they are involved in accidents when they are driving without a licensed parent or guardian. Some permit drivers may decide to break the rules and go out for a ride on their own, and if they get into an accident without a licensed parent or guardian, your insurance may deny coverage. However, even if they do grant coverage, you can still expect higher rates on your policy moving forward. Massachusetts law actually imposes penalties on junior operators who choose to drive by themselves, such as permit suspension or fines up to $500. Due to these penalties, it is important for your teen driver to never drive without your supervision. Do drivers with learner's permits need to be listed on my car insurance policy? The permitted driver will not have to be listed on your auto policy until they have passed their driving test and are fully licensed. However, if a permitted driver is involved in an accident in your insured vehicle, you will be surcharged and your insurance will increase. Once the driver is licensed, the surcharge would transfer over to them. While you don't need to worry about adding them until they are a licensed driver, you may want to update your insurance agent to ensure you have enough coverage, as permitted drivers are more likely to get into car accidents. With this increased risk, you may also want to look at getting an umbrella insurance policy to make sure you are fully protected from any potential claims. Umbrella insurance adds extra liability coverage on top of your underlying policies, including your auto insurance, as well as your homeowners, renters, or condo insurance. If you are interested in learning more about umbrella insurance, check out the article linked in the description below, or check out this video.
What should I do if my permitted driver is in an accident? Luckily, the process for handling an accident with a permitted driver isn't any different than a regular car accident claim. Call the police, exchange information with the other driver, document the damages to your vehicle and take photos for evidence, and get yourself checked for any injuries. Also, don't forget to report the car accident to your insurance company as soon as you can. Looking for more details on how to file a claim after a car accident? Check out the article linked below. What about accidents that occurred during a driving test? Requirements of road tests and driving lessons can vary. While some drivers use their own car, others use a driving school car or testing specific vehicle. If your teen is using your insured vehicle during a test or lesson, or if you are required to be in the car with them, your auto insurance will most likely cover them in the event of an accident. They most likely won't pass their driving test, but that's something for another day.
Going to stop.
I think it's safe to say you have once again failed your driving test.
As you and your child begin this major transition into the world of driving, it's good to know your auto insurance will be there for both of you while they are out on the road.
There you go. Be careful.
Thanks, Dad.
Call me, but not while you're driving.
If you'd like to check out more information on what to do next when your child becomes a fully licensed driver, check out the article linked below and check out our Learning Center on our website. We have articles and videos on new drivers and resources on auto insurance and more. And while you're here, if you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We make videos like this every week to help keep you informed on our insurance information. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.